Hello everyone. Today we will study opposition to British rule in Karnataka. In this lesson, we will learn about Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan, Dandiya Walk, rebellion of Amarasulia, rebellion of Hagali Bates, Anglo-Indian Wars, rebellion of Kittur, Rani Chinnamma and Sangoli Rayana, lastly rebellion of Surpura. Now let's start with the chapter. The present day Karnataka was scattered among various principalities before integration. Here it is scattered means randomly distributed, and principalities means the territory or the state, those who are having ruler or prince, they are called as principalities. Apart from establishing political supremacy during the later part of 18th century, the British exploited the people in agriculture and trade in order to protect their own interests. The exploitation created insecurities across Karnataka. The local kings suffered insecurities. As a result, rebellions against the British happened in most of the Karnataka. In the beginning, the zamindars and kings battled against the British individually without attaining unity among them. Hyder Ali and his son Tipu Sultan put forth a strong opposition to British by utilizing the strength of their Mysore kingdom. The political development that emerged during 1761 to 1799 are very important. There was an important opposition mounted against the British rule in India. Now first we will see about Hyder Ali. In the 18th century, the Indian history is considered as the century of political problems. There are many reasons for this. The death of Aurangzeb, the Mughal emperor, in 1707 was the main reason. His death weakened the Mughal empire. As a result, the Mughal lost political control over South India. A lot of political struggles took place in Carnatic region. Here that Carnatic region means areas of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. They are known as Carnatic. Before this, the death of Chikkadeva Raja Vadiyar in 1709 created the various political challenge in Mysuru state. His death created the problem of succession and administration. All this development clouded the politics of Mysore. Hyder Ali gained prominence in this scenario of uncertainty that clouded over the Mysore and the Carnatic region. He joined Mysore army as an ordinary soldier but was known for his shrewd political moves. He was closely observing the political development of Mysore. He came into prominence during the siege of Devanahalli and military action against Nizam of Arcot. He won the hearts of the soldier. He became famous as Nawab Hyder Ali in a short time. Hyder Ali was known for his innovation in arm usage. With his swift action, he weakened the power of Dalwai and sidelined the king Krishna Raja Vadiyar and established control over administration. Here it is, Dalwai means a title of military commander in South India. It is called as Dalwai. The Nawab of Arcot, Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad were fighting to establish their supremacy over each other and also to preserve their political existence. The British and the French were attempting to exploit these divisions of their own benefit. Let us know more about the Anglo-Mysore wars that took place during the period of Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan in this backdrop. That first it is First Anglo-Mysore War. This war was started in 1767 and ended in 1769. The prominence gained by Hyder Ali in the south was not tolerated by the British, Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad. Hence, the British started devising cunning plans to defeat Hyder Ali, whom they saw as opposition for the expansion's ideas. Though Hyder Ali suffered a lot due to Marathas' aggression, he made attempts to have Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad on his side with little success. The British entered into an agreement with Marathas and the Nizam of Hyderabad against Hyder Ali. a tri-party alliance emerged, but Hyder Ali, with manipulative ideas, was successful in breaking the alliance. He was also created enmity and distress among Marathas, Nizam of Hyderabad, and the British. Meanwhile, political disturbance emerged in Arcot. Arcot, which is a place in Tamil Nadu. In 1767, Hyder Ali and Nizam of Hyderabad attacked Arcot, but the king of Arcot had an alliance with the British. The war started with this incident. The battles took place in Trijinopalli and other areas. Hyder Ali organized lighting attack in these battles. The British military captured a few places. Hyder Ali suffered few setbacks. The British army from Mumbai joined the war. Hyder Ali considered the war as a challenge to his personal power and continued with the war. His army reached Madras by 1769 and created a panic among the British. Inevitably, the British entered an agreement with Hyder Ali through Madras Treaty. The First Anglo-Mysore War ended by signing the Madras Treaty. Here in First Anglo-Mysore War, Hyder Ali was successful by his cunning policies and British was defeated, and finally they have signed an agreement or treaty. It is called as Madras Treaty. Now we will deal with the Second Anglo-Mysore War between the period 1780 to 1784. The political situation in Tanavarkor and Tanjavur was the reason behind this war. These both the places in Tamil Nadu. The Madras Treaty had put the political development in South India on a temporary hold. The British attempted to break the Madras Treaty when Madhav Rao attacked Srirangapatna with Maratha army. Hyder Ali expected the British support him as per the Madras Treaty, but the British rejected the request of Hyder Ali and went against the Madras Treaty. Mahe, the French colony, was under the hold of Hyder Ali. Here that Mahe is a place in Pondicherry, which was under the control of Hyder Ali. The British attacked Mahe and captured it. This became the reason for Second Anglo-Mysore War. This capturing of Mahe was the immediate cause for Second Anglo-Mysore War. The Second Anglo-Mysore War was started in 1780. In the beginning, Hyder Ali gained upper hand. He captured many forts of Karnataka region. Kanchipuram was captured by Hyder Ali. Here Kanchipuram also it is in Tamil Nadu. The Mysore army reached till Coromandel beach. The British officers became worried. Hyder Ali attacked Arcot and captured it. He also threatened to attack Wandiwash and Vellore. An army was kept in standby by the British and it was led by Sir Eyre Court. From the British, Sir Eyre Court was the head of the army. He followed Hyder Ali's army till Pondicherry. The French refused to support Hyder Ali against the British. Hyder Ali changed his war strategy with this development. He took region under British control and captured a large booty of arms and wealth. Here booty means plunder which is taken from an enemy. It is called as plunder. It is called as booty. And Hyder Ali was defeated in the battles held in Port Novel by the British. This increased the confidence of the British and also changed the direction of the battle, but they suffered financial setback in Palikat. Meanwhile, by entering Salbhai Agreement, the British were successful in winning over the Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad to their side. Hyder Ali died due to illness during the war. The war was led by his son Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan was waging war in Malabar region when Hyder Ali died. Here that Malabar region means the coastal area of Karnataka and Kerala. They are called as Malabar region. The British tried to take advantage of Hyder Ali's death by invading Mangalore and Bidnor. Bidnor it is a place in Shimoga. They also tried to instigate the rulers of Calicut. Calicut is in Kerala. Calicut and Malabar regions against Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan thought of all these developments and decided to protect Mangalore and the coastal regions. He defeated the British. The Treaty of Mangalore ended the Second Anglo-Mysore War in 1784. Here also in Second Anglo-Mysore War, After the death of Hyder Ali, Tipu Sultan continued the war and he was successful, and finally the British has signed an agreement, that is Mangalore Treaty. Here we have completed both the Anglo-Mysore War. In our next video we will deal with the third Anglo-Mysore War. Hope it is clear for you. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.